All right, this is remarkable work. And now we meet the three police officers, constables in that viral video we were talking about. With us this morning, Constable Robert Franklin, who is right there. Just put up your hand so they know it's you. Constable Gilroy Edwards and Constable Reniel Brown. And they are members of the Kingston West ZOSO. First question I asked before, I said, y'all have kids? And this constable said, me alone. Put up your hand again. Yeah, alone. I'll start with you, sir. Morning.
Morning.
All the very best to you and your families for the year. Tell me what happened. Tell me exactly what happened.
Okay. It was about 11:30 a.m. in the morning on the 31st of December. We were on patrol when we were called back to the base. And we got some instructions from Deputy Superintendent Charlie Roberts that we were supposed to find a female, a mother. We got the address and the name, and we should find her as it relates to Children's Hospital. Would have wanted to get in touch with her. We had a child that she had was admitted there, a medical condition, and they wanted her to come and sign some documents in order for they to proceed with medical assistance.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when me and my team, we went to the location, we searched until we found the house. So she identified herself as the person. So we told her that we got a call that we should take her to the hospital. So we were there waiting for a while and she was inside. But it was taking a long time, so I was wondering what was happening. So when I knocked the door opened. And when it opened, I realized that she had 3 kids getting ready at the same time, 3 small kids. And she explained that she had a set of twins and 2 other small ones, and they wanted to. She was getting one of the small would be the admitted one. So she have the 3 of them now she need to take there. So her concern was how she going to reach with the 3 right now, because she was alone at home at the time. So we made the decision as a team that we were going to, I would be the driver, I'm the driver, and my co-workers would hold a child each, and she would hold one. So we'd put the pram, the stroller, in the back of the pickup and would take her to the medical facility. So when we reached at the medical facility now, she would have asked if we could keep 2 of the kids, and she would take the one that is a bit more fussy, who doesn't stay with anyone, and she would go inside. So when she went inside, she returned shortly thereafter and said she have a problem. Where she's going to go on the ward.
Can't
The
carry the
doctor said
fussy
it
one.
right. So she looked at me and I smiled and she said, can you keep this one for me too? I said, no problem. So
you had the fussy one?
yes.
Oh, but no fussy happening there. Yeah.
So I called my supervisor, Mr. Roberts, and I informed him of the situation. So to let him know that we were
babysitting.
right. And he understood and said that he would get some other units to cover for us until.
Constable Edwards, what was going through your mind when Constable Franklin said, listen man, we have to go take care of these 3 babies?
Well, from the get-go, I know that we had to render our assistance to the female because it's a daily thing for the JCF. It's just that we are the ones who were captured on video.
Okay.
And is actually viral now at the moment.
What is a daily thing for the members of the jail?
Assisting with cases as of
Like
this nature.
this?
Yes. So it was just natural for us because it's basically part of our training.
Well, you've never done this before, have you?
I have not firsthand, but I've seen it before. I've seen senior policemen do it before.
But you've never done it before.
I've never done it before.
So you knew how to hold a baby?
Yes, I have a lot of young cousins
Okay.
that I tend to at times.
Okay.
That's Reniel, a smile over there. I said to Reniel, how you know what to do? Say, my young sister.
Yes, I have a younger sister.
Yeah.
But it was more so on the natural side, as the infant held on to me and would not let go.
So you were arrested by one?
By one.
Alright.
Yes, and till at one point when I was trying to put her down, because we were armed and everything, and I was trying to fix the rifle. she would not let go. So she held on to my neck and everyone
How old are
started
these kids? How old are these kids?
All right. Well, the twins were months old,
Yes.
and the one that Mr. Brown was holding was about two.
Two
So
years
the
old.
fussy one get fussy for you?
No, sir.
No, that I was one of the first one.
Yeah, when she got
but
fussy.
however, Mr. Edwards would
Yeah.
have get the feeding in place, so a nipple buckle of feeding, and while his one was drinking and bucking away, he was in the back showing off, you know, saying, "I want to drop asleep," you know. So I realized what was happening through the rearview mirror, so I said, "Lend me the buckle." But when I gave her the bottle, I realized something. When I gave her the bottle, she stopped fussy, but then she don't want the milk. So when I move the bottle, then she fussy. So I just put it to the side, you know, and just catch the nipple of the bottle there, and it worked for a while.
Easy.
Yeah, but I had to exchange a baby too because I realized that the position in the back seat was
Was
even
more
more relaxed.
comfortable.
So we exchanged.
Yeah, at some point,
I gave Mr. Edwards a fussy
You gave
one.
away your baby?
Just for a temporary
we had
moment.
to exchange.
And at a point in time, all three babies would have went
Fence fell
to
asleep.
sleep and they were just there.
Did you have to change them?
No,
No.
Them was hear them. No, no.
No, what happened, right, I think when my fussy one would have dropped asleep, and the one that I get wasn't so fussy, was my rebel was full, so she was,
Alright.
just as I
Yeah,
know it
she
was
was
time
already
to
full.
probably give her extra burp, because she got the first burp, we realized that the mother would have, she came.
She
How long
came.
you had the kids
We
for?
have the kids for roughly almost
3 hours.
3 hours.
Almost.
3 hours?
Yes. What? No, up that hospital was very packed.
Yeah.
And the mother would have been engaged in, the doctor had her in some room they were dealing with it, situation. Because
Fantastic.
remember, you know, I think
The fact that they called to say bring her, it must have been
yes,
been
and
important.
I think the car came through police control.
Yeah, so
I
that
was
must have been
yes.
critical.
Fantastic.
Right.
Fantastic.
So
How did she feel though at the end of it, knowing that, I mean, you guys were there, that the babies were all in one piece when she got them back?
well, she couldn't thank us enough. She just keep thanking us all the way. But the thing was, she was surprised because even when she was leaving the baby, she would have said, "You sure?" I would say, "Yeah, man, we can do that." So, and as Mr. Edwards would have said, it's really a regular thing
For the-
for us
for
to
the-
assist. It's not really say assist as it relates to only the baby, but
The baby,
on a regular basis,
You assist
being in the
regular
zone
people, yeah.
and the state of emergency,
Yeah,
Brilliant.
we carry people to and from.
Can you tell us what happened to the child that was at the hospital?
We're not, all right, we know that it was a medical condition that they had to admit her. I'm not sure.
Not sure what
She had
it
some
is.
blood tests to finish up with.
Okay.
The babies that you had were boys or girls?
Straight girls.
Girls.
Straight girls.
But the mother, we check up, because what we do now, even since then, we would have been on time off and be at the house.
Brilliant.
But the mother is really, she's always have to be at the hospital.
Brilliant.
So even yesterday we tried to catch her again, but her nephew was at home and he was saying the whole time she would have come home just to be to go right back up.
Amazing.
So now I forgot to check on the babies.
Keep doing that,
every
yes.
Follow her.
Absolutely
Wonderful.
amazing. Fantastic.
Wonderful.
Fantastic. I hope you will be rewarded in some way for all of this. Fantastic. And y'all be safe.
Yes, that.
Great
All right.
man, great
Constables Robert Franklin, Gilroy Edwards, and Ranil Brown. Amazing story.
man. Nice,
Yeah.
nice.
So come
I want to leave never with my one them.
with ours.